Have you been finding it hard to make that perfect puff puff? Don't worry, this recipe is for you because I'll be giving you the perfect measurement that will make your puff puff come out well. So let's get started. I'll be using 1.5 cups of flour, 1/8 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 tablespoon of yeast. I'll also be using 1/8 cup of milk. I will go with my hand to mix all the dry ingredients together. So now I'm going to pour in water. For this recipe, I used a cup of water, and make sure the water is room temperature. Don't use cold water, but I mixed it in gradually. I didn't pour in the whole cup of water at once. I make sure to mix it in gradually so I don't get a watery mixture. After I've exhausted the 1 cup of water, I'll use my hand and mix this together till it is very smooth. We need a smooth batter for the puff puff to come out well. So I'm going to mix it. You can see the way I am doing here. I'll mix everything till it is smooth and I can't feel any lumps in the mixture. After I'm done mixing, I'm going to cover this up and set it aside to rise for 60 minutes. This is how it looks. You have to keep it in one place for you to be able to get it to rise. So this is how our batter looks now. So I'm just going to show you how to scoop your batter into the oil to get that round shape puff puff. You're going to scoop in the batter into your palm, then you let it out through your thumb and your index finger. Now it's time to fry. You're going to pour in enough oil into your pan and allow it to get hot. Make sure you set your oil on medium heat. Then after it is hot, make sure it's not too hot. Then you scoop in the batter into the oil and allow this to fry. While it's frying, make sure you try to move it around with a spoon or a fork. Moving it around will help each side get well fried. So this is how it was looking after I fried it for like a minute to 2. But at intervals, I kept moving it around so that each side can get well fried. So this will take about 4 to 5 minutes for it to get to that golden brown level. So when your puff puff is getting golden brown, it means it is ready. Can you see how beautiful and round a puff puff looks? So if you try this measurement, I assure you that you will get a perfect puff puff. So that's all on how to make yummy puff puff. Thank you for watching. I hope you try this recipe. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more recipes.